Good morning, grade 1-2s, or possibly good afternoon, even possibly good evening. In your packages that your parents picked up on Thursday, April 23rd, you got a sheet with a picture of your body with different things that you have to measure. You also got a box of paper clips, and it says in that on the instructions to make a chain out of your paper clips. So as promised, I said I would show you how to do that using my jumbo paper clip. So if you notice, there's one end on the outside that you can move like this. You can move the one on the inside too, but I don't know how that helps you. So you're gonna take the one on the outside. I do not have another jumbo paper clip, but I have a little one. And so you can take either end, although I would say this one is easier. And what you can do with this loose end is just thread it through. I'll show you again. All right. Then on the next paper clip, you find that same loose end. You grab another paper clip. Oh, you probably want to do the other end. Sorry. On this paper clip, you want to find the loose end and thread it through. Eventually, you'll get a long chain. So on your sheet, some of it is just measuring distance, like your height, if you have enough paper clips, but a lot of it is measuring distance around. So you make a chain, and let's say you're doing your wrist. You rope it around. You might need help with this. Now, you might find it's a bit too long, and so you can either take a paper clip off, or you can just put your finger where it starts and ends and pinch it, and then you can take it off, right? And then count how many paper clips did it take to get around your wrist, or around your head. Maybe get help with this. Or around your ankle. Oh, wow. I have rocks in my shoes. We were hiking yesterday. Around your ankle. Okay? Apparently I did this perfect for my ankle. So my ankle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 paper clips long. I can't wait to find out how many paper clips it takes to go around your ankles. Miss you guys.